Hello everyone, I am Prerna Kukreti from Rishikesh. I am doing Bachelor's in Technology from Govind Ballabh Pant University of Agriculture and Technology in Information Technology. So my experience with photography is not like very old, and I am not highly professional in this background, but I like to click photos like when I see something very aesthetic or very nice around me, because there is no such beautiful, like we can't take beautiful pictures as compared to when we see them, but still we try to capture them so that we can cherish the moments and show them to others. Like we visit some place and we see the beauty, and it is unexplainable, like we can't define it in photos, but still we click pictures so that we can somehow remember what we saw. So that is why I click photographs, and today we have come here. Like my friend suggested me that there is this event going to happen which is organized by Rishikesh Photography Club, and like this lockdown has been very troublesome, and we were like boring and sleeping in home and waking up at 11 o'clock and after 11. But today, because he told me like there is such some event, and I was so much interested that we came here, and it has been a wonderful experience. We saw different things which we could not generally, because generally if we come here we come at in the evening, but it was a wonderful experience. And to everybody who clicks photo, or they are like admiring, or they want to come in this background or this in this field, I want to suggest that like what I realize that everything is too much decorated. Like the real photograph and the photographs they put into any platform, it is very different. So they should try to make it more real and try different things. Thank you.